Yes, in line with the global practices, the largest lender of the country, State Bank of India, is going to focus on environmental, social and governance scores. The lender is chalking out a strategy to give loans based on ESG scores, and we learned that the borrowers who have a better ESG scores will be given priority, and not only they will be given priority, there will be some incentives from the lender as well. These incentives may be in the form of interest concession among others. As far as the criteria to rate these companies is concerned, all the borrowers which are rupees 100 crore and more in the listed space, and the borrowers which are rupees 500 crore and more in the unlisted space will be rated on ESG criteria, and accordingly scores will be assigned. And when the loans will be given finally by the lender, these criteria will be concerned. As far as the focus of bank is concerned, the green projects will be given incentives by the lender, and also renewable energy sector will be given impetus by the lender. The exposure to renewable energy sector might be increased, and we learned that the current exposure of rupees 33,000 crore might be increased to rupees 50,000 crore. Similarly, products like healthcare business loans, green auto loan, polyhouse bonds will be preferred by the lender. The bank wants to become carbon neutral by year 2030. Remember, this is in line with the sustainable development goals which was set out by India in the current meeting, and accordingly the bank is aligning itself with it. Remember, before that even Axis Bank announced some concessions for the lender, for the borrowers who are going to take EV loans, and a 0.5% concession was supposed to be given to those borrowers. So similarly on those lines, even State Bank of India is talking out a strategy how it is going to align itself with ESG lending, and already $800 million green bonds have been issued by the lender till now, and there is one gray area in the form of the definition of green financing, and as there is no clear definition of green financing in India, so the lender is awaiting the clarity from government on green financing, and accordingly a final strategy will be built by the bank on ESG lending.